Today we're going to install a SIM card into an iPhone 5S. So I went ahead and got one of these bad boys, but didn't want to pay for the service. So let's see if all the pieces came. So got the silver one, and when you open this part up here, I got all the pieces. Got the charging cord, adapter, headphones. Yeah, so when you open this, what we need is this little piece right here. It actually has instructions right there. So we want this little guy. This is the tool we're looking for right here. What you're going to do is, so when you have your phone this way, I want to push in this little hole. You'll see this little door pop up. Pull that thing out. So it only goes in one way. So see the little notch right there? So when you get your new SIM card, the company I went with was Consumer Cellular. It comes with, says here standard SIM is the blue, micro SIM or nano SIM. Looks like we're going to be using the nano SIM, so we just pop these different sizes out, and until we get something that matches, then here we go. You lay the SIM card into the holder like so, and that's how it fits. Put the SIM card back in the holder, you'll hear it snap, and you're good to go. There you go. Then you'd want to follow the instructions. You can just go online to whoever your provider is. Wherever you got your SIM card, go to your provider and turn your phone on. So hopefully that's helped you, and go ahead and hit the like button on the video. Share it with your friends. Till next time.